Quick announcements for you guys. MEXC is going to be listing Pulsechain. If you go over to the MEXC, you can look on their website over here. But let's look at the charts real quick. Where are we at? So Doge recovered from this V-shaped recovery. It's doing pretty well. HETS bounced up from local bottom, had a decent buy up here, sideways. But let's go over here real quick. Let's check the page about MEXC listing Pulsechain. They're going to have a lot of Pulsechain and USDT for airdrops. But here's the number one thing that they mentioned about Pulsechain. They said the launch of Pulsechain is the largest airdrop in history. And if you look at the dates here, the voting period, it's going to go on from today until tomorrow. And then trading starts tomorrow on June 1st. Deposits are already open. So you can already deposit your Pulsechain from your MetaMask or whatever wallet on the Pulsechain network into your MEXC. They already have the network working. So it's pretty cool. The people are going to be voting with their MEXC tokens, and I think it's going to help the price. I did put in Discord earlier a weekly green block for Pulsechain. That price is 0.00004748. So this is where the green block is now. And we also have the Pulsechain listing on MEXC tomorrow. So it's an interesting spot. I hope you guys are ready and prepared because it's going to be big. I think it can make the price go up drastically. If you look at MEXC token, the token went up drastically as well over the few years. And MEXC token has a lot of utilities as well. It's already up over 29,000% in the last 2,100 days. If you go to Pulsechain, is not on TradingView yet for MEXC, so you have to look at the other charts. And we're going to do this. We're going to type the word Pulsechain. And we can do DAI. Wrap Pulsechain to DAI. Well, yeah, this looks like the right chart. Yep, this is the right chart. It's not the chart I have earlier, but it's still a right chart. And it's down a lot. It's down a lot. So if you go to gopulse.com and you look at some of these stats over here, you can see that the price is 0.47% of sacrifice. So it's actually people that waited until the MEXC listing are getting a discount over the people that sacrificed into Pulsechain. Pulsechain is down to almost 20% of sacrifice rate, which is really bad. Pulsechain HETS is down drastically, 0.0065. And even if you add Pulsechain HETS and EHETS, it's still lower than 1 cent. So the ecosystem's down drastically from a sacrifice. HETS is down drastically from over a year ago. And now we're getting this listing. So I think it's going to be interesting. When you look at this chart here for Pulsechain on the website, and you look at the daily, you see that we do get some pumps sometimes. We'll get days like this with 50 million volume, but from local bottom to around there was only 476%. So I'm interested to see where we're going to go after this MEXC listing. It's going to be really exciting. Let's go back here to the regular charts though. I want to say that Doge did a nice V-shaped recovery from earlier today. This green block was predicted at least 1.5%. We already went up over 3.85%. I did a green arrow earlier because I knew some people were going to get out of their positions, but I want to remind them that we still have room to go up. Liquidations on the top side for Doge above 16 cents. When you look at Ethereum top of liquidations, it's over here about $4,000. So that's what we're looking at here. I hope you guys are ready. We're in a good spot now compared to